Good morning everyone. Today I will show you how to make this yummy potato bake. It consists of two layers. The bottom layer is made up of chicken and the top layer is basically mashed potato, grilled mashed potato. For this recipe you will need 4 medium potatoes. These need to be diced and boiled with salt until cooked. You will also need one small onion sliced, cooked with some oil, and some chicken, about 300 grams of chicken breast, and 1 green chili, also some salt. You can add some mushrooms, these are optional. I like to add my favorite spice, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri curry masala. And here's the bag for the curry masala. You may substitute this with black pepper. You cook the chicken until it's soft for a maximum, I would say, of 10 minutes. It shouldn't require more than that. Then you transfer it to an oven-proof dish. You may top it up with some herbs. I used some thyme. Then with the potato mash, I made some balls or some circles and put them on top of the chicken layer. I made my mash with 1 tablespoon of butter, and you may add some black pepper if you want to, but I didn't. Then you get some melted butter and brush the potatoes with melted butter. Then you need to put it under the grill up until it gets a golden color. Since everything is cooked, we don't need to put it in the oven. After that, you will get this beautiful potato bake, and you may garnish it with coriander leaves. You may use this idea for making shepherd pie. You may change the bottom base for your own recipe if you wish. You may also garnish it with tomato slices. I hope you liked today's recipe. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.